folks, Coach Mike Nitro here. We're gonna build the stroke of butterfly. Probably the stroke that brings fear and trepidation into most people. Thinking butterfly, oh my goodness, I'd never be able to do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're breaking into some parts right now. First part we're gonna work on are just what's called body waves, or the dolphin kick part. Body waves. Notice I said body waves and not head waves. A lot of folks are doing, they try to do dolphin kicking and there's just way too much head movement. So let's start with the simple thing first. Pretend you're a dolphin. Feet together, legs together, knees together, one fin, one tail. Now, body waves, and you want to start with fins, a little bit easier with the fins. However, right now I'm not going to wear them. My hands by my side. Body waves, I'll be breathing every 4. Breathing every 4. I'll do it first, then I'll explain it. Now, that's breathing every 4. What I'm going to do is, when I say 1, my rear end's going to come up a little bit. My chest presses. 1 and, bring the hips back in. So it's 1 and. That's 1 body wave. 2 and. That's 2 body waves. 3 and another body wave. 4. Stop right there. That's a half a body wave. I'm now going to take my breath as my hips come back forward. Watch this. Breathe. 1. My eyes are back down. So how much of a body wave did I really use to take that 1 breath? How much of a body wave? Watch again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Breathe. 1. A half of a body wave. When you understand that, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, breathe back down. You can keep that rhythm going even when you take that breath. Don't stop. Make sense? When I teach the kids, I say, is my voice getting annoying yet? They all laugh and say yes. So they keep me honest. Watch this. Now I'll do it again. You'll see me take the breath in a half of a body wave. Watch. And folks, you can practice that over and over and over. Fins, no fins, it doesn't matter. Get really good at that and get comfortable with that timing of that breath being 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Breathe. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Breathe. Start slow. In fact, you might want to start as slow as this. If you're just learning this, it's critical that you get the timing of that breathing. So if you notice, I'm not breaking any world records here, folks, in the water. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, breathe. That's it. Now, that's the first part of learning butterfly. Part 2, what we call position 11 body waves. Position 11, wonder what that is. What do I look like? Number 11, or I'm scoring a field goal, right? Now, position 11 body waves. Same thing we just did with the arms by the side, which we call head lead body waves, because my head is leading, head lead body waves. Now we're going to switch to position 11. We'll start with using a kickboard. The kickboard, we're going to put our hands on top of the board sideways. Normally you hold the kickboard like this, right? You're kicking like this. We're going to turn that board sideways, hand in hand. Just place it there lightly. We don't want to press right now on the board. Let it be lightly. Now watch. Same thing, body waves, breathing every 4 on that half. Not as easy as this. This is easier because I got a little more movement. Now I'm kind of restricted. I've got training wheels on. Watch. if you notice, my feet are together, my legs are together. They become almost like a whip. Kaboom, 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 kaboom. I'm trying to redirect the water both ways, down, up. But ideally, the water's going that way, which is helping my vessel go which way? That way through the water. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Similar to a dolphin. Now we tell the kids quite a bit. We ask the question, do dolphins have knees? No, they don't. So what you don't want to do on butterfly kick or dolphin body waves, too much knees. It looks like this. It gets pretty sloppy. You're taking away from the natural flow of the body wave dolphin. So now, position 11, you get pretty good at doing it with the board, right? And it might take you folks weeks, possibly, to get good at this. Get rid of the board. Position 11 now without the board. Without the board. Arms are extended, maybe just on that water. Body waves, chest down. Let the rear end do some of the work. Let the core do some of the work. Watch what it looks like. Breathing in before. That's position 11, body waves. Butterfly part 3. We're gonna add the arms. Once you've gotten good at the head lead body waves, at the position 11 body waves, adding the arms, you got it now. It's gonna look like this. We're gonna pull under the water, move my body which direction. I wanna go forward. Now watch the recovery. Recovery is the reset. Arms coming across, 2 giant airplane wings. I've got a wristwatch and a wristwatch. I'm trying to show someone across the pool what time it is with both wrists. As low as I can be without touching that water. We don't want to do this, coming over the water. Number one, it hurts my shoulders watching somebody else doing it that way. It's not effective. That's so much easier right there. Down and around. Pull it down and around. Under the water, across the water. Under the water, across the water. Now, butterfly arms begin in the front. Guess where they end? Not back here. They end right back where they started. So if you want to take your time and have your arms in front of you for a while, that's fine. We don't want to spend a lot of time with our arms back here. Trust me, you don't want to. You've got your head coming out for a breath, or in this case, I want that head right there, chin on the water, you're breathing. Nice low breath when you breathe. We're not up here to breathe, we're right there to breathe. So, a low breath to breathe. If I'm back here for too long, I've got both arms now stuck in those bottom 2 quadrants down there. I don't want to be stuck there. Don't want to be there. I got to get back to the front. My body is happiest when my arms are back in the front and my eyeballs and head position is back to neutral. Watch what it looks like when the butterfly's put together. On purpose, I'm going to take a little extra long time in the front to wait and glide a little bit. So I'm going to kick and wait. I'm going to thump and wait. So if my thumbs touch my legs, pop, I'm popping a kick. My fingers touch the water, I'm popping a kick. But I'm not seeing my fingers touch the water because my eyeballs are already down. As my arms come around, I want my arms, shoulders, head work on the same team. Hey guys, where do you want to go? We're going forward. Hey, come with me, would you? Sure. Same team, same team, same team. But once they're here, my eyes are already down. If my eyes are still up and my arms are now in front of me, legs are going where? Down. I've got to have those eyes down in the water. So now we're going to add those arms. I'll take some extra time in the front to wait as I drive forward with my eyeballs down. I'm going to thump it when my thumbs hit my legs. I'm going to thump it when my fingers touch the water. 2 kicks per stroke. There's a kick and a wait. There's a body wave and a body wave and a wait. Watch what I mean. All right, now, that's putting the butterfly together. Remember, start with the body waves, then position 11, then we're gonna add the arms. There's a thump in the front, thump in the back. The arms begin in the front, the arms end in the front. Folks, number 1, do not get frustrated. Number 2, be patient. Number 3, practice, practice, practice. That's the butterfly right there. Like and subscribe. You'll get more content like this. Have a great day. Others do lessons. I teach swimming. We'll see you soon.